Bum, 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 bum. I cooked my tortilla too much. Now it's crunchy tortilla. Oops. Fucked up on that one. We got 2 viewers in. Is that Obama? I think I see Obama. Oh, wow, dude. I'm getting rated right now, dude. Were you already streaming Mechanical? That's sick.
Yes, sir. You're getting rated.
Wow, dude. I'm getting rated by the boys, dude.
Awesome. Yeah.
What's up, Nick, dude? Good to see you, bro. What were you playing, Mechanical?
I was playing some Fortnite.
Do you have the best score yet?
No, I wasn't playing the competitive. I was just playing like to play, like a.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I was like, you know what? It's time. Let me just raid you. Raid and also raided you with Obama too. I mean, not
Oh,
Obama, Habib.
can't hear the Twitch stream. Let me see.
So yeah, I wanted to try to raid with more people, but it's the best I was able to get. So
No,
yeah.
dude, it's good, dude. 3 people's dope, dude.
That's dope.
Can everyone on the Twitch stream, can you hear me? Can you hear my audio on Twitch?
I had to start the stream with a good raid, you know.
There you go. Start off right. Yeah, no one's like, yeah, dude. Yeah. Okay. What am I eating? I made like a, I don't know what I call it. It's like a egg salad taco. I basically I have all these hard-boiled eggs I bought from Costco that, this is the problem with Costco. You buy certain things and like, they go bad before you can eat them because you buy them for like a family of like 6 and I'm like one person. So I bought like these hard-boiled eggs because it's cool to have hard-boiled eggs as like a snack. Like, it takes time to like hard-boil eggs. But the problem is, I think they expired like 2 or 3 days ago, technically, which is like whatever the Best Buy date is, you know, where it says like eat this by this date, which apparently is a whole fucking fraud just for like food waste because apparently like that's just the last day that like they can guarantee that it'll taste as good as it should, but it doesn't mean it's not edible anymore. It just means it tastes like slightly not as good. So people like throw out like apparently like thousands of pounds of food like individually like each year that like wasn't like too bad to eat. It was just like the due date said no. But anyway, so yeah, I have a bunch of hard-boiled eggs. So I mashed them up. I put some chili peppers, some mayonnaise, some bacon, and then I melt some cheese on a taco, and I call it I call it lunch, dude. Hydrate, okay.
Yeah. Start it off right.
You know, I need to make something where like there's something that happens on the stream every time you guys redeem like a hydrate. Yo, your boy, Mark, what's up, dude?
Like the water effect.
Mm-hmm. The other cool thing is I think you get more channel points if you participate in raids. So you guys that are raiding with Mechanical, I think you get bonus channel points for Mechanical stream if you do a raid with him, right? That's kind of cool.
Like I set a thing for like 42,069 channel points to delete
What's it?
my
You're gonna delete your what?
Minecraft
Wow.
fraud.
Is that like
42,000 channel points though.
how long have you been working on that Minecraft world? Like, what's the investment cost here that you'd be losing?
I've a lot of time.
Thank you, Mark. A lot of time, he says.
Especially stream time.
Nice. Oh, dude, your boy Mark, dude, with the hydrates, dude. Again, dude. You know what? I was thinking about you guys. I brought extra waters. This time. So, like, we're not going to run out of water this stream. No way. No way, no how. Your boy Mark says, are you sure, dude? You're looking thirsty over there. There's another hydrate. Okay. It's actually good because, like, I made this egg salad sandwich taco thing, like, way too fucking salty. All right.
Ooh, I just ate a really good pizza.
Yeah? What type of pizza did you eat?
Like it's like regular New York style, but like I put like something like some green thing. I think it was like I don't know what it's called, but it's like something that made it taste a lot better. Spinach, I think it was. Yeah, I think it's spinach.
Spinach is dope. I put some green stuff on it and made it taste dope, is what he says. That's too funny.
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right, we're up to 7 viewers, so we'll start it off. All right, welcome everyone. My name's Dr. Gold. Welcome to Office Hours. This is a stream where we help you out with your math homework, your science homework, any tests you guys are studying for. I taught 2 students this morning already in physics and in chemistry because they have final exams coming up, and they have review sheets that they had to go over. Oh, dude, another hydrant. Okay, thank you. Wait, where's my other water? Yeah, you guys are making me drink a lot of water today. Okay, cool. So, how this works is if you got a question, post it in the Discord. Looks like we already have 2 people that have posted questions. Oh, Obama had a question, but where'd he go, dude? Oh, you took it down, dude. But BB Nolan has a question. What's up, BB Nolan?
Yo.
Yeah, what's up, dude?
I didn't understand, like, how to solve this one.
Okay, that's
like,
cool, dude.
I didn't understand the X part.
All right. So these are intersecting lines and whatnot. Cool. And they make a bunch of angles, right? So what can we say? What can we say about 2 angles that form a line?
They add a 180.
Good. Yes. 2 angles. Good. 2 angles. Which I think is called collinear. I think that's the word technically, collinear. Collinear means like so co means like together, like codependent, like couples, and then linear means line. So they share the same line. If I can spell same today. But yes, they add up to 180 degrees. Okay, cool. All right. So, what are your 2 angles here that add up to 180 degrees?
2x minus 17 and then 63.
Good. So, you have 2x minus 17 plus 63. All has to equal what?
80.
Has to equal 180. Good. Right. Exactly. Okay. Nice. So this is equal to 180, right? What's the other set of angles? You have another pair of angles here that have to add up to 180. What's up, Obama?
2x minus 17 plus y.
Oh,
plus
my
23.
screen screwed up. Why is Fortnite? No, dude. Wrong one. There we go.
Fortnite.
You guys see. Now you guys get this. It was streaming my whole OBS setup for some reason. I'm just like, what? Why is it doing that? Okay. Well, Obama says, I have 4.3k channel points. Am rich. You are rich, dude. Are you going to cash that in for a bunch of MT coins right now, dude?
You got 4.3, bro. That's not. I got 84.9. Just kidding.
Damn, dude. All right. So sorry. Nolan, what was the other 2 you said?
Y plus 23 plus 2x minus 17.
Good. Y plus 223 plus 2x minus 17. This all has to equal 180 as well. Okay. So.
How do you solve that though? Because there's 2 different variables.
Good. No, this is a good question. So this is in algebra. when you have a certain number of unknowns, like variables that you don't know, you need to have at least that number of unique equations. Oh, dude, your boy Mark is gonna make me kill this entire water already here, dude. So, how many unknowns do we have, Nolan?
Right, 2, I think.
Good, 2 unknowns, right? I don't know x, and I don't know y. Okay, so that's 2 unknowns. So that means how many equations do I need?
2 equations.
2. You see how you have 2 equations here?
Ooh, baby.
We should simplify these first, Nolan. Let's simplify this. Like, you know, here, let's move this thing way over here. Let's try to simplify this. How can I simplify this equation, Nolan? Oh, wow,
You
both
can combine
you guys.
like terms.
Good, so what like terms are we going to combine here?
Negative 17 and 63.
Good. What's negative 17 plus 63 going to equal?
46, I think.
Good. So plus 46 equals 180.
And then subtract the 46 on both sides.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Minus 46. Minus 46. Good. Okay. So now we have 2x equals, what is that? 134, right? Okay. So then what does x equal?
67.
67. Good. Yes. I can't talk because you guys keep redeeming all the hydrates. We're going to make this man drown if we need to. Y'all need to chill. Don't drown me, dude.
That is goofy.
X is equal to 67, dude. Okay, cool. So that's what you get for X, right? So how do I figure out what Y is? No balls.
Do you plug it back in?
Exactly. Yes. Now, you don't want to plug it back into this equation, right? Because if you plug it back into this equation, you're just going to get like 1 equals 1.
No, you plug it back into the 2x minus 17.
This one. You plug it into this one, right? The one that has Y in it as well.
Oh, okay.
So, because I need to figure out what Y is, right? So I need an equation that has Y in it, right? We had this equation, right? And we also had this equation. This equation only had X in it. So we solved for X, okay? And then now we can plug it into this equation in order to solve for Y. Okay. So, this is probably also something we could like combine like terms and whatnot. What could we do to combine like terms?
You can combine the 23 and this negative 17.
Good. What can I combine it into?
That would be 6.
Y is equal to, good. Sorry, it's Y plus 6 plus 2x equals 180. Very good.
And then you could plug in the 67 to 2x.
Good. Very good. So this is now going to go into there, right? So I have Y is equal to, sorry, it's Y plus 6 plus 2 times X. Well, that's what we had here, right? 2x is 134, right? 34 equals 180. Good. So now I think you can see what Y is going to be. Good. Combine the other ones, right? So Y plus 140 equals 180. Should be able to see what Y is here. What is Y?
40.
Y is 40. Right, and that's solving for X and Y. So you can say X is equal to 67, Y is equal to 40. If you really wanted to check it, Nolan, you could always just plug it back in and just make sure that they add up the way they should. But they do. I'm pretty sure this is correct. So yeah. Does that make sense?
Nice. Yeah.
Nice, dude. Okay, cool. Let's
Yeah,
get you a
doing
bond.
our review right now.
Do you have finals next week?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah, please, dude. Maybe I'll do some bonus streams. Maybe I'll do like 2-hour streams next week for you guys having finals. Because I know they probably gave you a bunch of review sheets or something, right?
Yeah. Wait, I have one more question. I'm gonna
Good.
post it.
Yeah. Post it. We'll do it. And then mechanical. I'll get to yours. Cool. All right. Okay. Megamax went to the dentist. What happened to the dentist, Megamax, dude? What happened, dude? Are you okay? I always dread going to the dentist because I'm like, dude, my entire face is about to feel numb because they're gonna find something wrong and they're gonna be like, now I gotta hit you with like the shots and stuff, or as my dentist calls it, like a margarita. She's like, here's the margarita. I'm like, that's not a margarita. I did drink water, dude. I drank water. On your last hydrate, I did, dude. Okay. This is. Oh my god, dude. All right, there. I'm gonna make. That's my goal today. I will make something so that anytime you guys redeem a hydrate, like it'll show up on the stream, and it'll tell me to do something.
Mark will because of that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Find the perimeter of the square. Find the length of the diameter. Okay. So no, you know this shape is what? It's a square, right? What's special about squares?
Squares.
There are squares.
I don't know.
What do you know about the sides of a square? What's special about the sides of a square?
4 of them.
There's 4 sides. Good. And what about the 4 sides?
2 of them have to be congruent, right? Or all of them do.
All of them have to be congruent. All 4 have to be congruent, right?
Yeah.
So, if I need to find the perimeter, right, I would need to add all the sides up. But since this is a square, I only need to know the length of one of the sides in order to figure out the perimeter. Because then I can just take that one side length and just multiply it by 4, right? If all these sides are congruent, right, because it's a square. So how do I figure out the length of one of these sides? It's a good question for you guys. How do you think you figure out the length of one of these sides?
Maybe like find the distance between 2 points.
Good. Find the distance between 2 points, right? So you can pick any 2 points, right? As long as they share a side, right? So what are 2 points here, Nolan, that we could pick?
0, 4. And
Good.
then
0, 4. And what's another one? So we got this one right here, right?
4, 1.
4, 1. Good. All right. And then how do I figure out the distance between those two?
I think there's like 2 ways to solve it, but
there are, yeah.
They're
kind of the same thing. No, that's the midpoint. That's the midpoint formula. That's if I wanted to find the midpoint between these 2 points. What I would do is like x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. That's finding where the midpoint is between these 2 points. Ooh, nice. Philip's already got a question too. Nice. Here's what the distance formula is. The distance formula is equal to the square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. Okay? If you ever you just plug it in. If you ever want to remember why this is because this forms a triangle. So y2 minus y1, right? That's going to measure this distance right here, right? Or let's use a different color other than green. Let's use blue. See how this is for instance going to be y2 minus y1, right? Because it's 4 minus 1. So yeah, this is equal to the square root of 4 minus 1 squared, right? Plus x2 minus x1, right? Which is this distance. Okay. X2 minus x1, right, is going to be 4 minus 0 squared. Okay. Let's move this over a little bit.
Oh, fine.
Finals week.
When you set up the equation for like the y's and x's,
yeah,
you always put like the larger number in front.
It doesn't matter. As long as you call one of these y1 and you call one of these y2, doesn't matter which one you call y1 or y2. Okay. As long as you're consistent, right? As long as I'm always doing, for instance, this one minus this one, and then this one minus this one. Or if I'm, for instance, doing this one minus this one, I have to also do this one minus this one. And actually, it actually doesn't even matter at all because there's a square here. Yeah. So do you see if I do?
It wouldn't matter.
Right? Do you see if I did 4? So if I do 4 minus 1, right? I'm calling this one like my my x2 y2, right? I'm calling this point my x1 y1, right? Mm-hmm. Do you see if I do 4 minus 1 squared, right? That's 3 squared. But what if I did it the opposite way? What if I did it 1 minus 4? What would that be equal to?
Get -3 and still square it.
Squared, it's the same thing. Yeah. It's good to be in a good habit of being consistent. For instance, so if you take this one minus this one, do this y minus this y, and then this x minus this x. Because when you're doing slope, it matters. Because slope, for instance, remember, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you flip the order of one of these, it's going to completely screw up what the slope is. If you don't flip this one. So technically in distance, it doesn't matter the order, but just it's a good habit to have. So anyways, this is the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is equal to the square root of, what is this, 9 plus 16, which equals the square root of 25. What's the square root of 25? 5. Cool. Another way to have... What's up?
Like this. Do you see inequalities with complex fractions?
Oh, yeah, dude. Wow, you got some heater questions, dude. These are going to be fun. Fuck yeah, dude. Okay. We got some fun coming up for today, guys. Yeah, fun. He's like, no. Another way to look at this, Nolan, do you see how this is a triangle where this is a length of 4? Right?
Yeah.
And then this is a length of 3, right? And then what we're trying to figure out is this length, right? Which is kind of like just the hypotenuse, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember the special triangles? Oh, your boy with another hydrate, dude. What were the special besides like 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90? What are they're called, like the perfect triples? Is that what they're called or something?
Oh,
like
yeah,
when
I
you
think so.
when you see these side lengths, you should know them. So like one
It's
of them
like
is
the other one's 5, right?
5, 12, 13. Good. And this one is 3, 4, 5. Yes, very good. So you see how this length is 3, this length is 4, which means the hypotenuse length is going to be 5.
Yeah.
And that's literally what happened. It's the same thing. It's a squared, right, plus b squared equals c squared. If like you squared both sides. That's where the distance formula comes from. It's basically a triangle. You're just finding the hypotenuse of a triangle. Wow, Mr. Mechanical with another hydrate as well. Okay. So they asked for the perimeter, right? This is only the side length. So how do I figure out the perimeter?
Would you multiply by 4?
Mm-hmm. That's just 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. Cool. Nice. Okay. They want the length of the diagonal. Okay, how do I figure out the length of the diagonal?
I have no clue.
Okay. Well, what is the diagonal, Nolan? What's the diagonal, dude?
Like one of the lines?
One of the
Or,
lines? What?
like segments?
No. Okay, so the diagonal is what connects one corner to another corner. That's what a diagonal is. This is a diagonal, Nolan. Right?
Oh.
Yeah. All good. Yeah. So you need to figure out what this length is. It's, diagonals connect like opposite corners to each other. Sides connect corners that are on the same side, Oh, wow. I'm burping a lot from all the water I'm drinking. The hydration is key, he says. All right, Nolan, how do I figure out the length of this segment? How do I figure out how far I go from this corner to this corner?
I don't know, to be honest.
Okay. Well, how did you figure out how far it was from this corner to this corner? What did you do?
You like plugged it into the formula.
Mm-hmm. You found points, right? And then you plugged it
Yeah.
into the formula. So do you see how I can probably do the same thing to find the length of this line?
So you could do
Mm-hmm.
-3 comma 0,
Very good.
and then what is that? 4 comma 1.
Good. Yeah, nice, dude. 4, 1. Okay.
Can't you find it? So like, if you had like perimeter and area, can't you just find it like? Was it like area?
No. So another thing you could do. So I'll show you. There are 2 ways to do this. And Philip, you're right. There is another way to do this. You know that this length is also 5. Okay. Do you see how this makes like a triangle?
Mm-hmm.
What type of triangle does that make? It's a special triangle.
45, 45, 90.
Good. which is an isosceles triangle, which has certain side lengths to it. I'll show you that later. But let's just use the equation here real quick. So Nolan, what do I do? D equals, right?
D equals negative. Wait, no.
Square root of
5√2.
0 minus 1.
0 minus 1. Okay, that's fine. We can do that. 0 minus 1 squared
And then
plus
and then negative 3 plus 4.
negative 3 minus 4.
Oh, you minus it. I forgot. Yeah.
Remember, it's this minus this, and it's this minus. Yeah. If you get the minus screwed up, that'll definitely screw up the thing. All right.
Mhm.
So good.
So
This
then
is
you
just
have,
equal. What is this?
Negative 1 squared.
Right, which is just
1.
1. Good. Plus, what's
then-
this?
Negative 7. And then squaring that would be 49.
49. Good. See how this is just gonna equal square root of 50.
Mhm.
Okay. Another quick way you could have done this, and then I'll move on to the next question.
45, 90 triangle.
Thank you, Philip. Yes, Philip, you're right, dude. So did you see, Nolan, how like this length was 5, this length was 5, and I had to find the diagonal?
Mhm.
Okay, Philip, how do I do this?
5. So you got x, and then the hypotenuse is x√2, so it's gonna be 5√2.
Is it 5 root 2? Yeah,
Right?
maybe it is actually. Yeah, I think you're right. It is 5 root
It's
2.
x√2.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. Yeah, so here's like, Philip's totally right. So this is what's called the 45, 45, 90 triangle, which you should memorize. I memorize it as the hypotenuse being 1 and this being square root of 2 over 2 and this being also square root of 2 over 2, okay? But another way to...
Kind of same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Because basically what you're saying is, okay, so this side is x, right? So this side to this side, right? X over 5 is equal to the same thing as this side to this side, which is 1 over square root of 2 over 2. Right? 1 over square root of 2 over 2 is just 2 over the square root of 2. Because we just flip the fraction, which is just gonna be square root of 2. Yes, yeah, we'll get to that. Yes, okay. Which you can multiply by square root of 2, square root of 2 on both sides. So now you get 2 square root of 2 over 2 cancels. So you get x over 5 equals the square root of 2. So now you can just multiply both sides by 5. And now you just get x is equal to 5 root 2, which is correct. That's fair. That's the other way to do it, Nolan. But distance formula works well.
That, so.
Yeah, that's okay.
No, you literally went over earlier in the year 45, 45, 90 triangles.
Did he? I forget if he did.
I never did this stuff, this equation stuff.
It's just you plugging it in.
Yeah, well, okay, so what it is, and you may have not have done this. Nolan, have you done similar triangles yet?
Similar triangles? No.
Yeah, similar okay, so yeah, if he hasn't done similar triangles, this is the concept of similar triangles, because these triangles are similar because they have the same angles, right? And triangles with the same angles are going to have the same ratio of their sides. So for instance, the ratio or the fraction, right, of this side to this side of this triangle, x over 5, has to equal the same ratio as this side to this side of this triangle. That's called similar triangles, which if you haven't learned that yet, then yeah, I get it. Like you wouldn't know how to do this. But it's okay. You could have also used the Pythagorean theorem, right? 5 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared, right? It's 50 equals x squared. X equals the square root of 50. That's also correct. Both work. Okay, cool. Nice, Mason, on the bond coin. Okay, let me see who's next in the questions. Mechanical, you here, bro?
Yep.
All right, let's do this one. Write the linear equality from the graph. Okay, this is cool.
This is like an example of I found, but I need
Do you need help with it? Yeah. Do you need help graphing it, for instance, or do you need help? Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. So let's say we have a graph. Y is greater than 2x minus 4. Okay. Do you know how to graph this? No. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat this like a regular graph, which is y equals 2x minus 4, right? Equals 2x minus 4. How would I graph y equals 2x minus 4?
Wouldn't you like start on the 2x and then just go down 4 on the y-axis? Or wouldn't like the slope be 2 and then the y-intercept is -4?
The y-intercept is -4. So what you're going to do here is you're going to put a point right here for -4, right? That's what the y-intercept is. And then a slope of 2 means you're going to go up 2 and over 1, right? Do we remember that from slope, right?
Yeah.
Slope equals rise over run, right? So if we have that equals to 2, that's equal to 2 over 1. That means you go up 2 and to the right 1, okay? So 1, 2 over 1, right? Cool. Now you have 2 points. You could do another 2 points, right? You could go up 2 over 1 if you really wanted to. You can draw a line for this, okay? Here's the key thing, though. When drawing the line, you can either draw a dashed line or you can draw a solid line. How do I know which one to draw?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's look at this. This is y is greater than 2x minus 4. So if it's just greater than or less than, this is what we call, this is going to be a dashed line, okay? Thank you. Yes, guys, good.
This is if it's equal to.
If it's less than or equal to, greater than equal to, or if it's just literally equal to. So actually, I shouldn't have put equals here. Then this is going to be a solid line mechanical, right?
So the solid line is going to be the ones that are equal to, right?
Equal to or less than or equal to or greater than equal to. This one is not that, right? This one is what?
These are this one is just y is greater than.
Just greater than, right? Yes, good. So this is going to be a dotted line. So you're going to draw a dotted line in between these 2 points, okay? Or all these points, all right? Okay. Now comes the question of which side do I shade? Because this is an inequality, I can either shave... What's up, Grim? You can either shave one side or you can shade the other side. Okay? How do you know which side to shade?
By seeing the greater.
Yeah, you can, but sometimes that's tricky and doesn't really work. The way to do this is to pick a point on one side, okay?
Hi, Gold.
What's up, Graham, dude?
That's dope.
You pick a
You wanna hear
point.
something funny?
Let me finish this
So,
question real
5
quick, and then...
minutes before-
All right.
Okay.
Let me finish the question, then yes, I would love to hear something funny. Okay. Pick a point on because I'm almost done with Mechanical's question here. Pick a point on one side. So what's a point on one side of this line here, Mechanical? Just pick any point.
2 and 0.
2 and 0. What is 2 and 0? Like x equals 2, y equals 0?
Yeah.
Well, that's a point like on the line. I don't want on the line. I want it on like a side, like here or over here. You don't want it on the line. You got to pick a side.
The right side.
Okay, what's a point on the right side?
4 and 0.
Good. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. So he picked 4, 0, right? 4, comma 0, right? That's over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. So he picked 4, comma 0 here, guys. Now what you do is you plug this into your equation and you see if that makes sense. If it makes sense, then you shade that side. If it doesn't make sense, then you shade the other side. Okay. So if I plug this point into this equation here, Mechanical, what does it become? What do I have?
4 and 0 is greater than 2x minus 4.
No. What is okay, no, remember. This is a point, right? What is this? This is x, this is y, right?
Yeah.
So what's gonna happen?
That basically means we found our x and our y, right?
Uh-huh. Okay, so I'm gonna plug in for y. What am I gonna plug in?
So then it becomes 0 is greater than
Good.
2 multiplied by 4 minus 4.
Good. Okay, so do you see how I can simplify this? And I get 0 is greater than what? It farts
0
cutely.
is greater than 2 times 4 minus 4.
What's 2 times 4 minus 4?
4.
Good. Is 0 greater than 4?
No.
I didn't know
No.
you could switch voice channels from the overlay thingy.
Can you? What do you mean the overlay?
Yeah, apparently, like if you're on your phone and you do the overlay thingy, it says switch and channels, and then you can just
Oh, that's cool.
the channels into the server.
Nice.
And I'm pretty sure there's also channels from other servers too.
Yeah, they're adding new stuff all the time, which is cool. I like Discord. They're adding also like a subs thing to Discord now, where like you can become a subscriber of like a server, and then like it works the same way. Although I think they're doing their payout structure as 90% towards the creator, 10% towards Discord, whereas Twitch, right, is 50-50. So that's pretty cool.
I think Discord might be used a lot more than.
Yeah, I mean, I'll still stream on Twitch because Twitch is more able to get in new people and whatnot. It takes a lot for someone to join a Discord and then get in the right channel and then stick around long enough for me to ping them saying like, "Hey, I'm teaching math
Yeah, I feel like
for
there
free."
should be like for Discord like I don't know, they should just like make
Like a discovery type
streaming
thing.
thingy.
Yeah.
Just like like a discovery. Like you just look like what Twitch has. You could just discover new things.
Yeah, and just say you can actually. So you can. I gotta hydrate again. You can discover Discord servers. The issue is that in order to be eligible for discovery, I think we need like 5,000 people or something. Like it's something nuts. Okay, so let's finish this up real quick. Mechanical. 0 is greater than 4. Is that a true statement?
No.
So that means I'm not gonna shade this side, right? Because that's where the point was, and I am gonna shade this side. Does that make sense? Yeah. Cool. All right, Grim, tell me your story, and then I'm doing Philip's question. Tell me real quick.
I have one more question.
Wait.
Like 5 minutes before office hours started, I saw that you pinged everyone, and I'm like,
I did.
Okay, let me remember that. And then I got so invested in TikTok, I forgot all about it, and I'm like, wait.
Oh no, dude.
No,
dude. This is why TikTok is cancer, dude. Except for if you're learning from my TikTok, then that's okay.
No, I was just watching.
Well, I'm glad you found your way back here, dude. Yeah, don't get lost in the TikTok holes, dude. Don't do it. Mechanical. What was your other question? Yeah, what's your last question, dude?
Why do we shade the side?
Oh, okay. So we have to shade a side because it's less than or greater than or less than or equal to, or if it was just equal, we don't shade a side, right? The fact that this is an inequality means you have to shade one of the sides. You have to. It's the same thing like, okay, so let's remember mechanical. Remember we have like x is less than 4, right? And if we did this on like a number line, right? Do you remember like if it was like, this was like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? You remember how like we did an open circle here, but then we still like, this is kind of like shading, right? But it's in one dimension. So when we're doing things in 2 dimensions, right? When we make graphs and stuff, you know, I don't know. Even if we had something like this, right? This could, for instance, be y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 1. This would be an example of this. I would choose a point and figure out that, oh, cool, I have to shade this side, right? You can either shade on one side of the line or you can shade on the other side of the line. And you have to do that trick by plugging in a point and seeing what works in order to see which side you shade. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool?
Mechanical,
all right.
You have to shade, but girls say it's a huge turn off.
What, shade is a huge turn off? What, dog? What? Y'all should never be throwing shade at each other. All right, Philip, you here, dude? You want to do your inequalities? These look big and scary, dude. He says, I've been here, dude. He said, I've been here, bro. What the fuck?
Been here and fested.
Okay, here. Okay, cool. Thank you. Awesome. All right, cool.
That one sucks.
This one does suck. Okay, so
all right,
any
LCD, let's go.
All right, LCD. Yes. So we need the least common denominator.
Factor out the second term. It's
good.
X minus 3, X minus 2.
X minus 3, X minus 2. Good, right, yeah. So what he's doing here, guys, is this is what's called a quadratic, and I'm factoring it out into 2 binomials is what I'm doing. So this is x plus 1 over x minus 2, and then plus, this is 8 over x minus 2, x minus 3. Good, okay. And then this is all greater than or equal to 2. Okay, awesome. So in order to add fractions together, you guys need the denominators to be the same, okay? So how do I make these denominators the same?
Have a least common denominator.
You need a least common, right? Okay. But see how this has an x minus 2 on it, this has an x minus 2 on it. What does this thing have extra?
X minus 3.
X minus 3, good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom on this one over here by x minus 3. Okay.
Told ya.
So when we do that, now I have x minus 3, x plus 1 all over this thing. Just copy it because I'm lazy.
Question,
Good.
Dr. Gold. I have a question.
What's up, dude?
With your 1v1 showdown. So
Okay,
like
what
the
about
winner
it?
of 1v1 showdown just like 2 bond coins and the loser gets 1, right?
Correct, as long as you stream it. You
Alright,
stream
so-
it and
Okay.
someone else has to record it. So someone else has to witness it.
Alright, so right now I have x squared plus x minus 3x minus 3 plus 8 all over x minus 3x.
Good,
minus
yeah.
2.
So now you can combine these two, right?
Yeah.
Because they're the same denominator. So yeah, this is x squared. Sorry, what'd you
After
say?
you follow the first two terms. So I got
Yeah.
x squared plus x minus 3x
Minus,
minus
okay, yeah,
3
minus 3. Good.
plus 8.
And then plus 8, and then this is all over.
Combine those.
Yes.
So here's the part I'm confused about.
Sure.
So now we have two terms in the bottom that we equal to 0, and then those are going to be our
Vertical asymptotes or
restrictions,
something.
domain restrictions.
Restriction. Yeah, exactly. So x minus 3x is going to be minus 2x, right? So wait, sorry. This is x minus 2x, and then minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5, right? Okay. And nothing adds up to 5 but multiplies to minus 2, right?
No. Wait.
Okay, but here's fuck. Man, this is a quadratic is the issue. Okay.
Oh, so I got x squared minus x plus 5.
Oh, is minus x plus 5? It's not minus 2x?
Oh yeah, x squared minus 2x plus
It's
5.
it's minus 3x plus x, right? So that's it's 2x, right? Minus 2x. And then it's minus 3 plus 8, which is plus 5. Okay, so yeah, there is domain restrictions here. But here's what you can do, actually. You can just multiply both sides by whatever this was.
Oh yeah, you have to multiply the 2 by that.
Yeah, so
So you
let's
get
let's
2.
take this and let's put it over
Yeah, move
here.
that over right now.
Good. All right.
And then, let's see, 2x squared.
Well, we remember what this was, right? This was what we just originally had, right? Which was this, right? So I know this is just x squared minus 2x plus 5 is greater than or equal to, and this is going to be 2x squared minus 10x plus 12, right?
Because everything's multiplied by 2.
Yeah, it's everything over here just multiplied by 2. Good, guys. All right, cool.
But then you have to make sure it's negative 10x, right? Yeah. Right.
I did. Yeah, good. Okay. So
now
let's
we
just
have to
move all this
it
shit over
by
here.
adding- Yeah, so minus 2x plus 2, minus x squared
Yeah.
plus
So this
2x
is-
minus 5. I'm going to get 0 is greater than or equal to x squared minus 8x plus 7.
X squared minus 8x plus 7. Good. Okay.
All right.
Now this is
Now
solvable though,
I
right?
can factor that.
Good. This is x.
X minus 7, x minus 1.
Yes.
Yep.
Good. Okay. Cool.
So x equals 1 and 7.
Well, wait a minute.
Hold on, I'm not done yet.
No, those are the roots. Those are just the roots. Those are
yeah,
just the
so I
roots.
need to write
Yeah.
those down.
Yeah. So
Take
we have
the roots.
roots. X equals 7 and x
And 1. And
equals 1, and then we had domain restrictions at
which
2 and
is-
3, right?
Yeah, 2 and 3.
The reason why we have domain restrictions, guys, is because you're not allowed to divide by 0. Dividing by 0 is bad. Everything blows up if you divide by 0. So that happens when x equals 2 or x equals 3. So you have domain restrictions at x equals 2 and x equals 3. Okay. What do they want you to do here? They want you to solve for it?
So we have to write it down in a number line and then like find the interval notation.
Oh, okay.
So I'm writing a number line. I drew a number line.
Uh-huh.
So you have to include 1, 2, 3, and 7 in the number line because those are all the like numbers we got.
Yeah, those are all the cool numbers. So here, yeah, we got here. Let's just make a
1.
bunch of these.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you. I'm not.
Yeah, let me just. No,
Copy and paste.
I was trying to, but it's taking too long. I'm like, nope, not doing this anymore. I'm just gonna draw lines. There we go. No. Okay, cool. So let's start at like 0, I guess, right?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
2,
5,
3,
6, 7.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then 8, 9,
That's
10,
that's all
11.
eight.
Cool. All right.
All right, so so 2 and 3 cannot be included right away.
Right. So
Wait,
you have to put you have to put holes there, right?
Yeah,
So if
2
2
and
and
3
3 can't be included,
so
that
I
means
just put like little X's underneath, or like just like slash it.
no. I think you just put an
what's
open
up,
circle.
Swiper?
Yo, what's up? Who's in there? Is Sam, dude? What's up, Sam, dude?
How you doing, man?
Good to see you, Sam, dude.
Did you fix
So wait,
your computer?
Nah,
dude, what was wrong with your computer?
I broke the mic.
You broke the mic, dude. You broke the
Yeah, I
mold,
broke the
bro.
mic.
Okay. So Philip, can equal 2, can
Okay,
equal
Philip.
3. That means you just put an open circle on it. Is what you do.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
And then 1 and 7 are included, so I just put a closed circle.
Put a closed circle there, right?
So what
One
he does
in.
for us, he just puts like check marks and X's.
Really? He puts check
Because
marks
we
and
don't draw on the number line. He wants it like actual interval notation.
Right. Well, that's fine. So what you have to figure out here is you have to figure out. Okay, cool. There's a lot of boundaries here, right? I need to figure out, for instance, this is the same. Actually, mechanical. This is very similar to what we did with you, mechanical. In terms of the shading, which is you just need to pick points, plug them in, and like just see if it makes sense. So, for instance, I want to see if any of these points on the right should be included. And so, like, what I can do is I can just pick a point. So let's just pick the point 8, right?
I'm
See, I have
plugging in 8 right now.
8 minus 7, and you can plug it into this one, Philip, right? So,
Because he said
yeah.
to plug it into the original equation.
No, you can plug it into this one. This is okay. It should be, because you've already taken care of the domain restrictions. You've already taken care of the numbers that you're not allowed to plug in.
So 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7.
Right. So, well, basically what you're looking is like positive, right? Positive times a positive is not going to be less than 0, right? So you're not going to shade this area, okay? So then it looks in between. Let's look at like 5, for instance. So 5 minus 7 is a negative. 5 minus 1 is a positive. Minus times a positive is a negative. So this is good. You are going to shade this area. Now you got to check in between 2 and 3.
So let's do 1.5.
1.5, again, negative, positive. So yeah, this is okay.
Yeah, it works.
Okay. You got to check between 1 and 2.
0.
Oh, wait, sorry. That was... No. Okay, so technically we got to check between 2 and 3 as well.
Oh, okay.
I know they're literally right next to each other, but yeah, 2.5 still works. Negative, positive. Yeah, right? 2.5 minus 7 is a negative, and then 2.5 minus 1 is going to be a positive. So, yeah, this is negative, positive. This is okay. And then if you look at 0, right, that's negative times a negative, which is a positive, so this is not that, right? So this pink stuff is the only that's the interval notation you have to figure out. Okay? Trinomials times 3. That is correct,
All right,
Nick. Trinomials
so
are 3.
it should be, I got interval notation.
Yeah, so now let's do the interval notation, dude.
A pen.
Interval notation.
I can't find a pen.
Uh-oh. Pen down, dude.
This is bad.
Pen down.
Could it be? I was using it like 2 minutes ago.
Okay. So interval notation, right? We're gonna say that x is included in the domain of it's gonna include. So you always go from left to right. So it's gonna include 1, right? That's why we have a hard bracket here, and then it's gonna go to 2.
2, but you don't include it.
Right, good.
It's
And then we're gonna
not
say
unique.
union, good, union, and then we're gonna say again 2
2, and then
to
3.
3
but then
parentheses,
not
right?
included.
Good.
Union with. What
Good.
is that next number?
What's good in the hood?
3.
Yo,
and
what's up, Lord
7,
Frog,
but
dude?
we include 7.
Good, very good, nice dude. Yeah. All right, let me answer Lord Frog's question real quick, Philip, and then I'll come back and do your second one. I just want to make sure I get everyone with at least one question. Okay, you try and find a pen. But good question, Philip. That's actually cool. I don't know if I've actually ever done one of those, like even in like my life. He's like,
basically,
which one do you need help with, Frog, dude? Which one?
9 and 16.
What is it asking you? So is it asking you to determine the end behavior? What the fuck is this thing asking for, bro?
Okay, hold on. I can just fucking stream it because like.
Okay, you can stream it too. Yeah, that's fine.
Fucking canvas.
This is like the blurriest picture I've ever seen. All right, I'll wait for you to stream. Okay, now you're streaming. Okay, cool.
Oh, you're gonna see my government name.
Your government name? Is that what we call it? The government name, dude? Oh wow, dude, I'm getting your password, dude. Harrison, dude, you're exposed, bro, dude. I got you, dude.
Good. Just
what do
you probably know how to hack. Just make me pass.
Dude, my buddy got hacked on Instagram today, dude. He got the. Have you guys seen this where like they post something where they're like, "Hey, I invested $1,000 in Bitcoin mining and I got 10,000." One of my buddies, just one of my friends, like I texted him like, "Dog, like your Instagram got hacked," and he's like, "Yeah, dude, I know." I'm just like, "What did you do?" He's like, "I was trying to figure out how they were hacking." I'm like, "Oh." Well, dude, that's called playing with fire, dude. You're gonna get fucked up. Don't do that.
All right, we got right.
Oh, I see, dude.
Yeah, and then I don't even know what the. I'm good on synthetic division.
Okay. Maybe these factoring problems are tricky.
Yeah, the factoring, I just have no fucking clue.
I got you, bro, dude.
And finding the zeros of shit.
Zeros are easy.
It all depends on the problem.
Oh, one sec. Let me grab that one more time.
Factor by grouping is the best.
Dude, it is, dude. It's so satisfying. It's the most satisfying thing in the world. It's so satisfying, dude. Oh, yo! Oh, we get a new follow, dude. What's up, Recursion, bro? Good to see you, man.
How you doing, Philip?
Is Sam, dude? Wait, Sam, is who is Sebi, dude? Who's the one that's trying to like troll me with like saying that like Philip's like being racist or something, dude? Where's Sebi, dude?
I don't know.
I gotta get
Sebi's
him, dude.
like a.
Sebi's a troll, dude. Is Sebi a troll, dude? Oh, he's definitely in this. He's in this Discord.
No, actually, yeah, he is a troll, dude.
What's up? You can't what? What can't you, Frog? What's up?
I'm just being stupid. I can't
figure
this shit out.
Okay, here you go. What are they asking? Okay.
No, like I'm trying to get back to your stream and it's just.
Oh, just go to click on office hours and then click on the red button that says live. You'll be able to see it. Oh shit. All right, cool. All right. So write each polynomial in standard form. So standard form is always going to be something where you just have like x squared plus x plus whatever. So they need to be in order of decreasing power, and you need to make sure that you don't have any. All right, cool. All right, so you write this in standard form. This one is x squared minus x plus 7. Cool. Classify it by its degree. Degree is always the highest power of the exponent. This is degree 2, right? Okay. End behavior. So you look at the highest power. It's 2, right? So 2 is even, which means the left and the right are going to be the same thing. And since this is positive, this is going to be up, up. Okay? If we have this one, right, this is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. This is degree 3. Okay? X cubed means 1 is down, 1 is up. Okay? And the standard way for this to be is to be down, up, is what it is.
What if it's just like x by itself? Like, just like...
X by itself is just down, up, right? You know, like y equals x, right? Y equals x just looks like this, right? You see how it goes down at the end and it goes up at the... Yeah. Okay. This one, this is minus 3x cubed. Oh, wait, no. I almost got fucked up, dude. X to the 4th, biggest power is up here. X to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 10. This is degree 4. Since it's even, that means they're both up or they're both down. Since this is positive, this is up, up. Cool?
Yeah. Just basically like 16, and then like he's gonna make us do like the factor by grouping, factor by quadratic type.
Sure,
factor
I
by
got you.
common factors.
Yeah, Sam's like, I remember doing this. Yeah, Sam, actually, dude, Sam, didn't I work on this with you, dude? Like literally like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. You had a test on this. It's a good review. Find the zeros of each function. Drink, your boy Mark. Okay, yeah, actually, I do need a drink. Wow.
I got a whole chapter test tomorrow.
Is it your finals, dude? You got finals?
No, this isn't even my finals. Finals are next week.
It's just some fucking shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm failing.
Well, let's have you not fail, dude. Show up to my stream more often. I'll make sure you don't fail, dude. I'll do it for free. I'll even pay you to not fail, dude.
Right now.
Well, okay, this is a lesson. Okay, this is the whole thing, right? Where they say the best time to plant a tree was 1,000 years ago. The second best time is today. So, you know.
I guess.
At least you're showing up. At least you're showing up today. You're doing okay.
I saw that notification. I'm like, yeah, I should
probably get some help in math today. I don't want to fail. Yeah, no one wants to fail, dude. You don't want to work at McDonald's. Don't do that shit.
Yeah, I got a 50.6.
No, dude. Let's boost it up to at least a 70.6.
That's what I need.
All right, zeros of a function, right? Is how many different ways can I get this to equal 0, right? What we usually want to do is we want to change this into factors, okay? So this is 3x, which is a factor on its own. And then we have x plus 2 cubed. What does it mean for something to be cubed? What if I say like 4 cubed? What's another way to write that?
So it's like 4 times 4 equals 16, and then 16 times 4.
Yeah, do you see how this is 4 times 4 times 4? Yo, Bomby Boy, didn't Jack in the Box just buy out Del Taco, dude? I don't know why they did that, because Del Taco's fucking trash. Okay, x plus 2.
Dude, I gotta download the new fucking Halo.
Oh, you do, bro.
There's on Steam.
Oh, yeah, there's a new campaign, dude. New campaign.
Yeah, the Halo Infinite, the new one that got released 2 days ago.
Multiplayer's been out for a bit, but yeah, the campaign's out, I think, right now. I need a better video card. I honestly can't really play it. Okay, so what I did is I expanded this out, Lord Frog, dude. I expanded this out into factors. See how instead of writing x plus 2 cubed, I wrote x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So now all I need to do is just figure out like what causes one of these things to equal 0. So what causes this bitch to equal 0?
Dividing by 3. How?
No. What? So when I mean like what causes it to be 0, what do I put x into in order to cause this to be equal to 0? This is not the power rule, Bond.
I got no clue.
Okay, I need 3x to equal 0. Let's go. Let's do some basic algebra. Like divide by 3, divide by 3. Cool. You get x is just equal to 0.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, good. Oh, fuck, I fucked up. Right. So this one is x equals 0. Okay, what do I need x to equal in order for this whole thing to equal 0?
-2.
-2. Good. Right? And that's going to be the same thing for...
I got that shit right.
Yeah, the same thing for this one, same thing for this one, right? So do you see how the zeros... So the zeros in this case are what?
-2 and 0.
-2 and 0, good.
-2
and
m of 3.
So -2 has what we say multiplicity 3. Yes.
Yeah, m of 3. That's what
That's what he says. M of 3, dude.
Yeah. He makes it say just m of 3.
That sounds fucking weird, but whatever. Okay. All right, cool. So here, let's try to do the next one. Oh, Sam, you've been grinding Halo, dude. I heard the grind on Halo is like fucking brutal though. Like you have to do like so many things in order to level up the battle pass. Okay, so Frog, how do we do this one? Let's do the same strat. You should be able to actually just look at this right now and just tell me what the zeros are and what the multiplicities.
5 and -2.
Good. 5 and -2. Good. And what are the multiplicities of each?
5 is just 1, and then
yeah, good.
2 is m of 2.
-2 is m of 2, right? Because it's -2 in here. You need -2 plus 2. But the multiplicity is 2. Yeah, multiplicity is 2. Bomby Boy, I'm new here.
That's not hard.
Yeah. Would you be able to help students with income statements? No. I can help you Photoshop them if you want. Nothing like some light fraud on a Thursday afternoon.
Exactly. How's the registering for nonprofit going?
It's good, dude. I submitted the paperwork in last Wednesday. I haven't heard back from them because lawyers are fucking people that take forever. Yeah, unless like they're trying to get money out of you, lawyers take forever to do anything else. So I'll give them a buzz probably this week. If they don't get to me, I'm just gonna go find some other lawyers. I'll go find some lawyers that I can just pay. Just be like, yo, just get this done, please.
Yeah. Just to get this shit done.
Pro bono is bottom of the list. I know it is, but you know, I wanted to. It's already going to cost me, I think, like $800 in registration fees just to get a nonprofit. Put that on top of me like paying another lawyer like 5Gs to do it as well. Like, what do you need a lawyer
Well,
for?
Again, you live in California.
I do, but I don't want to go on OnlyFans, guys. I don't want to do it. Please don't make me do
I'm
it.
gonna have to pay for that.
What do you need a lawyer for?
Is there gonna be like a face reveal on there?
Dude, I'm face revealing all the time here. What do you mean? Is there gonna be a face reveal, dude? What?
I've never seen your face.
Are you not? Are you not on the
a long
Twitch,
time
dude?
ago. Yeah,
Yeah, dude,
have
it's
a
on the
long time
Twitch, dude.
ago.
My
Yeah,
face
yeah,
is
yeah,
constantly
yeah.
on the Twitch.
Yeah,
People are like,
I
people are
remember.
like,
I've
ooh,
seen
when
that.
is Dr. Gold gonna do a face reveal? I'm like, every Monday and Wednesday at 3 o'clock,
Yeah,
Tuesday,
I remember, I
like, yeah.
remember.
All right. What do I need lawyers for? I need lawyers. Okay, that is a good question. Say, I honestly shouldn't need a lawyer, but the problem is with our government and fucking anything in life that requires paperwork. You have to. It's not even someone of power. You need someone who's done the bullshit enough times that they know like where to not fuck up. Like, I have a PhD in physics. I should be able to figure out anything, right? The problem is that like there are all these little nitpicky like word things that like change meaning based on like something else or something else that like I've tried to do stuff before.
Day of the week it is. It changes
right?
meaning.
Yeah, and I get bopped. And then once you get bopped, you're like you have to do it again, which means you have to go pay a lawyer to go do it, which is like you just wasted your time. So like
Give me one second. I'm gonna grab a pencil.
All right, good. Yeah, let's do this next one. Factor by grouping. So we have x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay.
All right, we back.
All right, cool. So when we factor by grouping, what you want to do is you want to try and like split things up into pairs is what you want to do. Okay. So I'm going to choose to make these two a pair. I'm going to choose to make these two a pair. Okay. Yeah. And I'm going to try and pull something. I'm going to try and pull out what's called I guess, yeah, it honestly is the greatest common factor. Like, what the fuck? All right, whatever. I am going to pull out what's the biggest thing I can pull out of x cubed minus 3x squared?
X.
No, it's something bigger than x. I can pull out something way bigger than x.
Oh, x squared?
I can pull out x squared, right? Good. So let's pull out an x squared. What does that leave me with now?
X minus 3x.
No, just x minus 3, right? Because this was 3x squared, right? And I have x squared on the outside.
Oh, yeah.
You see how that's just x? If I multiply this back, right, I get x cubed. Multiply this back, I get 3x squared. Cool. All right. I want to try to pull something out of this so that I get the same thing here, okay? So what should I pull out of this to also get an x minus 3?
An x minus 3?
I would like for this to turn into x minus 3.
Oh, wait.
Someone said it. Not divide by 3. I want to pull something else. Do you see how I want this first term to be an x, but right now it's a minus 6x.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to divide by 6.
No, not 6. Let's pull out a minus 6. Okay, I'm just gonna pull out a minus 6, right? Because I know that if I pull out a minus 6 from this frog, this turns into x, right? Yeah, good. Divide by minus 6. Okay. So if I pulled minus 6 out, what is it?
I was thinking, divide.
Yeah, okay, good. What is this going to turn into then?
That's going to be 3.
No, not quite. Not
negative
3. Yes, because see, I need negative 6 and negative 3 get me positive 18. Okay, cool. All right, now you have something you can group. So if I have a times b plus c times b, this is the same thing as a plus c times b. You see how it's something times something minus something else? That's all right, good. So this is going to turn into x minus 3, x squared minus 6 is all equal to 0. Okay? Do you see how I did that? Like I took this and this to make this, and then this is the same thing on it, so I put it here.
Yeah, so it's just x. Yeah.
Good. Okay, so now you can see what your zeros are. What are my zeros?
3 and 6.
No, not quite, because this is x squared.
6
I need.
Wait.
If you ever it's a little bit more complicated. So anytime you see something here,
imaginary numbers.
We're not gonna have to do an imaginary number here. We would if this was a plus sign, but okay. So what you do is anytime you're confused, like what's the factor is, or what the x is, what the 0 is, just take your factor and set it equal to 0. Right? So I'm going to set x squared minus 6 equal to 0, and now this is an algebra problem. How do I solve for x here now?
So we just add 6 to each
Add
side.
6. Good. X squared. So I'm going to add 6, right? I get x squared equals 6. Okay, now how do I solve for x?
Gonna take the square root of both sides.
Square root of both sides. Okay, now when you take the square root, you have to put a plus minus in front of it. So this is x is equal to plus minus square root of 6. And that's your answer, dude. So
Ooh.
those are your zeros.
Right, so that was factor. Oh wait, no. What was that? Factor.
That was factor by grouping. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Okay. That makes sense.
Okay, this
So
one's a little hard.
We just split it up into the two sides and then work our way down.
Split it into two sides. Try to factor something out of one of them, and then factor whatever you need to out of the other one, so that you have the same thing in the parentheses. Right? I just factored the biggest thing out here. I'm like, oh, cool, x minus 3. Let me try to turn this into x minus 3. The way to do that, right, is to pull this minus 6 out. And then it so happens that also turns this 18 into a minus 3, which is what I needed. Right? And then once you have that... Rio, what's up?
Oh, my phone just fucking disappeared.
Oh, okay. Dude, first your pencil, now your phone, dude. Why are you losing all your shit, frog, dude?
I don't know, dude. I take 50 milligrams of fucking Adderall. I can't keep shit.
50 milligrams? What the fuck,
50.
dude? Dude, I take 5, dude. I'm like flying, dude. Yeah, what? 50 milligrams of Adderall? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I'm a damn squirrel.
Are those the XRs or the instants?
Extended releases, yeah.
Yeah, extended release. Damn, that's a fuck ton of Adderall, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, add that on.
Sam says he takes 20.
Meds.
Oh, wow. You guys don't need those meds, dude. I mean, Adderall maybe. I understand the Adderall. I mean, do you get to college, dude? You're gonna be everyone's best friend, dude. If you've got 50 milligram XRs, dude. Like what?
I'm not going to college. I'm like halfway like enrolled in trade school right now for welding.
Welding. Oh, we got another welding in here. Another welder. Grim. His dad's actually a professional welder.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Either that or I'm gonna. If that doesn't work out, I'm gonna just be a fucking bounty hunter.
What? Like Dog the Bounty Hunter?
Yeah, basically.
You're just gonna fucking go
work for a bail bonds company.
Damn, just
drive around and kick people's doors in and just fucking take them to jail. Shit seems nice. I don't have to be an officer.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, you're like, all you need is the strap, dude. You need the Glock, dude.
Yeah, it's 6. I've done some research. There's a 60-hour course you have to take, and
that's it. That's it. To just
That's
go
it.
and kick down doors and like
yeah,
FBI open up.
A bail bonds company, and once you get accepted, they just start giving you files, and if you want them, you take them, and then
I guess it's risky though. That's a risk. It's a risky fucking job, dude. Because like, what happens when like you say like open up, and then like they respond with like 9mm.
12 gauge.
Yeah, exactly. He's like, yo, get off my lawn.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay. Okay, cool. Here, let's do these last two, and then I gotta play Fortnite with the kids. Let's see. Factor by quadratic type. With all the kids in the Discord, dude. We do monthly tournaments. And this week.
You need to get them on Rust.
Rust? Dude, Rust takes way too long, dude. I've seen Rust. Like, Rust is like a game you gotta play for like days, dude. I don't have days.
Nah.
Dude, I have maybe like 45 minutes.
Man.
I know, dude. When I was young like you and I had tons of time to play video games, believe me, I put the hours into RuneScape. I put the hours into like whatever, dude.
My.
Like yeah, dude. I killed a lot of fucking chickens at 6 o'clock in the morning because I'm like, I need to get my fucking like my strength up or my dexterity, whatever the fucking stats.
Yeah, I'd be getting notifications at 3 a.m. that my base is getting raided and all the.
Yeah, isn't that the whole thing? Yeah, you're like, oh shit, you gotta go do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I have it like connected to my phone, and so like whenever like my base starts to get raided, like I just like hop on my computer and just like I was up like a week ago.
Yeah.
I was getting raided at 3 a.m. and it didn't end until 6.
Oh man, dude. See, maybe this is why you have a 50 in math, because like you're waking up at 3 a.m. to protect an imaginary island from people.
Okay, maybe, but for the past week, my sleep schedule has been fucking A+. You know,
nice, good.
I come home from school, I take like a 3-hour nap, I go to work, I come back home, I do the little bit of homework that I have.
I rail 50 milligrams of Adderall, and then I go on my day.
Yeah, and then I go to bed, and I wake up at 5:30 with no alarm.
Oh, wow. Oh damn, dude. The only time I see 5:30 in the morning is when I'm up till 5:30 in the morning, dude. I don't think I've ever woken
Yeah,
up
the
that
only
early.
other time I'm up at 5:30 is either if I'm hunting or on a fishing tournament.
There you go. Or that's good. Dude. Where are you from, Frog? What state? What state?
Indiana.
You sound like you're from Indiana. Okay, that's a cool place. Hopefully not Gary. That place is depressing.
No, fuck. No,
Yeah,
I'm
fuck
like,
Gary,
I'm like,
dude.
I'm like basically kind of like, it's like, no, east of downtown.
Okay, cool, nice. I've been to Chicago a lot. My sister actually goes to Notre Dame, so I think she's in Indiana. Is Notre Dame in Indiana?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I don't know.
My tutors, my tutors at Notre Dame.
There you go. Exactly. There you go. Indiana. Okay. All right. Let's
Dude's a nerd. Bro's going to college for 16 years. Like, what the hell are you doing with your life?
I have not been. I was in college for 14 years or 13, I think. Well, grad school was like 9. Grad school was 9. Regular college was like 4. So yeah, I've been in school for a bit. Or I'm out. I'm done with school.
Yeah.
Are we going to the game?
We will. Give me a second. Let me finish this last 2 questions with Frog. Okay. All right. So we're gonna just using the quadratic equation. Do you know what the quadratic equation is, Frog?
Like the fucking like.
Yeah.
Negative B,
X
and then,
equals
like,
negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac.
B squared minus 4ac, and then is
all
it 2a?
over 2a, correct. All right, and this is when you have an equation that looks like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay,
Yeah,
you need this.
So like I'm good like with the quadratic equation.
Right, but
like,
this shit doesn't look like the quadratic equation though, right? Because what is
No.
this? This is x to the 4th.
Yeah, it's just some fucked
Right.
up.
Sam, you've seen this, dude. Dude, I literally went over this with Sam like 2 weeks ago, or maybe last week, dude. Did we do this last? No, this was a little bit further ago. But I've done this so many times. But okay, so here's the trick. This is called substitution, Frog. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say let a equal x squared. Okay, I'm gonna look at this thing and be like, yo, wouldn't this be nice if this was not an x squared? Let's say it was just like a single variable or something. I'm gonna say, okay, cool. Let me let that equal to a. Okay. Then what is a squared going to equal? If a equals x squared, what will a squared equal?
X.
No, not quite. So if I square this, it means I need to square this. What happens when I do x squared squared?
4.
X to the 4th. Good. Okay. So now do you see how like I can switch this shit up where I'm like, okay, cool. Instead of x to the 4th, I'm going to write a squared, right? Instead of saying x squared, I'm going to say a. So I have minus 2a minus 24 equals 0.
Wait, so I can't just plug this shit in right into the equation?
You can't plug the no. Well, you can, but there's an extra step. Now you can. See how I now have something squared, something not squared, right? And then something without even whatever the fucking variable is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a case of, and I shouldn't have chosen a because these are the same things. Here, let's fix that. Let's say let's let u equal x squared, u squared equals x to the 4th. Yeah, Nick, I know. We're gonna get to it. So this is u squared.
I'm bugging the fuck out of you,
dude, because they want to play games. I know it's okay, but I'm invested in this. Yeah, gold is 713. I know. We're going a little bit over. It's all right. So u squared minus 2u. No, you're good. I'm glad you showed up, dude. I appreciate it when someone's like, I need help. I need to go get help. Like. That's one of the most important things you can learn in life is how to ask for help and how to like go get it. Because most of the times, dude, I even did this in college, dude. Like I had TAs, I had fucking free tutoring shit, but I was like, I don't want to go to it because I don't want to look stupid or I think I can figure it out. But or like I was busy too playing beer pong till 3 in the morning. I was like, I can't make it. You
seem like a stoner, not gonna lie.
I actually don't like weed, honestly. I've smoked a fair amount of weed in my life. But I actually don't like it. It like clouds my head enough.
Wait, is your full-time job tutoring?
It's like my half-time job, I guess, is what it is. Yeah, I do a couple things. I also I consult for like education startups is what I do, and I also do this. This is almost like a full-time job, honestly.
Yeah.
And I also make gold clothing. I also make music. I do tons of other things, like.
Oh shit! You make music.
I do make music, dude. No, I'm on Spotify, bro. You can find me on Spotify. Yeah. Anyways, okay. So, we rewrote it like this. This looks like a quadratic, right? What is? Okay, so let's plug this into the quadratic equation. So now this is u is equal to. So what is b in this case? If we have to say minus negative b.
Oh, b would be 2u.
It's going to be -2. It's just this thing,
Oh,
right?
oh,
So
yeah.
b is always the thing in front of the variable. See how the variable is here, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, the variable is u. So all I care about b is -2. So this is -2 plus or minus the square root of -2 squared minus 4 times, what is a in this situation?
U squared.
So a, remember, is the thing in front of the thing squared. So what's in front of the thing squared? 1. Good, very good. Okay. And then what is c?
-24.
Very good, -24. Good. All right, cool, awesome. All right, and then we have over 2a, which remember a is 1, so it's 2 times 1. Good. All right. So now I have -2 plus or minus the square root. -2 squared is going to be 4 minus 4 times -24 is -96. There's a negative here, so this is plus 96. This is just fucking basic math at this point. So you get that u is equal to -2 plus or minus the square root of 100 over 2. What's the square root of 100?
10.
10. Good. So I have -2 plus or minus 10 over 2. So this is going to end up equaling 8 over 2 or -12 over 2, which is 4 or -6. Okay? But here's the tricky thing here. Okay, remember, that was solving for u. Okay? We're not solving for u. At the end of the day, we want to know what is x. Okay? And remember that u is equal to what? What did we say u is equal to?
20.
No.
Shut the fuck up, Sword.
Sword, dude. What was u equal to?
2x?
No, it was equal to x squared. X squared is what we did.
Squared.
This is x squared, okay? U is equal to x squared, okay? So, and remember, this is what u is equal. U is equal to 4 minus 6. So I'm going to say 4 equals x squared, or 4 equals, or -6 equals x squared. Okay? You can solve this one, right? What does x equal if x squared equals 4?
2.
Plus or minus 2. Remember, Frog, if you square root, you got to put a plus minus in front of it.
Yeah.
Because -2 squared is also 4. -2 times -2 is 4, okay?
This is fucked up shit.
Dude, Sora, you're going to do this next year, dude. You're going to do it. Okay, this is a weird one, though, right? This is a weird one, right? Because now, again, square root plus minus, right? I have x is equal to plus or minus the square root of -6. Oh, nice. Another hydrate from I think I'm almost out of water. Oh, no, I still got more. I still got more, Mark. What happens when you try to take the square root of a negative number?
It's an imaginary number.
It's imaginary, good. So what you do is, if you ever see a negative number in a square root, pull the negative out and make it an I. So this is going to be plus or minus I root 6.
Square root
okay?
6. All right.
Good. See how that's all you have? Plus or minus 2 and plus or minus I root 6?
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. These are your answers. It's this and this.
Okay.
So you got 4 roots.
Yeah, because each one of them is plus and minus.
Uh-huh. All right, last one. 2x cubed minus 20x squared plus 48. 2x cubed. This one will be fast. 2x cubed minus 20x squared. And then it's plus 48x. So this is something where they say do it by factoring, okay? So by factoring, it means, like, what can I pull out of all of these things? What can I pull out?
X.
Oh, the 2020 Game Awards? Yeah, didn't Activision get banned from it because, like, they, like, I don't know, like, harassed too many women in the workplace or something? Sam's asking about the 2021 Game Awards. I saw that. Okay, you can pull... oh, okay. It starts in 11 minutes. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we yeah, I might watch it. Okay, I can pull out an X. What else can I pull out of all this? What's another thing besides an X that I can pull out of all of this stuff?
2.
2, good. I'm going to pull a 2x out, all right? So that I have x squared minus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0, okay? Cool. So now you already have 2 factors here, right? So all we got to, so I already know, like, what one of my zeros here is just x equals 0, right? You see how if this is just 0, that this whole thing would be 0?
Yeah, everything's going to equal 0 in the end. Dude.
Okay. So this I need to set equal to 0. So this you can factor. Do you know how to factor this? I think you can. Yes, you can. You always say, like, what multiplies to this, but adds to this. Okay?
That would be...
So multiplies to 24, adds to minus 10.
Alright, give me a moment here.
Let's give it a moment. I fucked up.
12 and negative 2.
No. 12 times negative 2 is negative 24.
Negative 12.
2 and negative... No. Because that's still negative 24.
12.
No. 2 and 12 multiplies to 24, but doesn't add to minus 10.
Negative 2 and negative 12.
Negative 2 and negative 12 adds up to negative 14. What's up, dog? What's up, dude? Who are your teammates?
Bro, we were in a fight, right?
Who do you mean you're in a fight?
Same room, like in Warzone.
Oh, okay.
We're in the same room. The guy res me, goes to the corner, sees a person, and they don't shoot each other.
Oh wow, dude, that's lame, dude. Yeah, I'll play some Warzone with you later. I really want to. Here, Frog, try 6 and 4. What about 6 and 4?
That might equal 10, man.
Yeah, that's right. Okay,
Negative
minus
6, negative 4.
Thank you, dude. Negative 6, negative 4. See how this multiplies to 24 but adds up to minus 10, right? So now you have 2x, okay? And now you have x plus 6, and then, no, sorry. So it's x minus 6, x minus 4, right? Equals 0. Now you can see all your factors, right? Or all your zeros, right? I have 3 factors here. So what are my zeros?
Are we gonna have 3 or 2?
There's 3 of them. There's 1 here, there's 1 here, and there's 1 here. So
yeah, so it's 2 and 6 and 4. Or negative 2, 6 and 4.
No, because this is just 2 times x, right?
Oh.
So remember, a 0 is what do I plug in for x in order for this thing to equal 0? So what do I plug in here in order for this to equal 0?
0.
You don't plug 0. Yes. So your zeros are at 0, 6, and 4. All right, T. Cool. Does that make more sense? Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Good. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you asked for help and stuff, dude. Always come by, dude. Always come by the... I stream 4 times a week, dude. You good. Yeah, I want you to, man. Nice.
Just make sure, like... Because, like, I get the pings. Just, like, make sure when you start up, you, like, directly ping me. Because I cannot remember to join.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I can, you know, I can even
like
set up,
send me a
I can set up a
message or
bot, I can set up a bot to literally ping you whenever I stream.
Dude, that would be awesome.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll set up a bot to ping you when I stream. Be like, yo, get your ass on here, dude.
Appreciate it.
Of course, dude. All right.
See you, man.
See you, dude. Okay, awesome. That's office hours. We went a little bit over time, but it was cool. I hope you guys learned something about what we were doing.
That was office hours?
That was office hours. No. Office hours started like an hour and a half ago, dude. But what we're gonna do now,
It's like 7:16.
yeah. No, it didn't just start, dude. So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna shift to playing some Fortnite with whoever wants to play with us. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, join the Discord. We give out free prizes. We play games. We do all sorts of fun stuff. All the new games. Oh, it's kind of like E3, isn't it? It's kind of like E3. That's kind of cool. All right. I do want to play some Warzone, but I promised to play Fortnite with people this week, so I'm gonna play Fortnite. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna have us raid the next channel, so I'll see you guys on Actual Gaming if you want to still chat and whatnot. And if you want to play some Fortnite, come play Fortnite with us. Otherwise, have an awesome rest of your weekend. If you're in the Discord, well, we might have Jackbox games on Sunday. I got to see what time I come back. I'm going to be out of town. I'm DJing an event Friday night, Saturday night. But otherwise, we'll be back Monday for sure.
So, like, we going to game chat?
We are. Let's do it.
Let me move you guys real quick.
Move us in, please. Thank you.